Hello friends, I am Dr. Saudamini Naik, a gynecologist. I'll be talking to you on menstrual cup on behalf of the Women's Doctors Wing of IME Nasik. We all know that a female attains menarche around 10 years of age and she bleeds almost for 35 to 40 years till she attains menopause by the age of 50. That means she bleeds for almost 420 periods in a lifetime. And during her menstruation, how does she maintain her menstrual hygiene? What does she use? The most common belief that we all know that females use a sanitary napkin, which is disposable one, and they find it to be safe because it does not move, it has wings, it is dry weave cover, so you do not feel the wetness. But in reality, sanitary napkins are not healthy. They can cause infection, they can cause rash, and they are not biodegradable. They also have an impact on the environment. Many a times what happens is the sanitary napkins, as they cannot be reused or recycled, they are either dumped in the landfills and they take hundreds of years to degrade. Sometimes it also has an impact on the waste workers. Sanitary waste is picked up from our doorstep by housekeeping staff and they are handled manually, thus exposing these workers to health hazards such as infections and diseases. Many pads get flushed down the toilet and the cleaners have to get into the drains to clean them manually. So what is the best option available? These days, the best solution available is the menstrual cup. A menstrual cup is made of medical grade silicone or latex. It has a stem and it is reusable. The shape, it is bell shaped. It has a stem. It has a rim which fits inside the vagina and does not slip off. And the best part is it fits inside the vagina and it can be used even by patients right from 18 years to 50 years, as there are various sizes of this menstrual cup. Now menstrual cup, how to insert it? Is it a messy thing? No, it's not. Initially, till you learn things, yes, they are difficult to learn, but once you learn, they become easy. We were not used to smartphones, but we have started right from the basic Nokia 3310 and have come to a variety of smartphones these days. So definitely the menstrual cup we can easily get adjusted to. A menstrual cup has to be folded and then inserted inside the vagina. After you fold it and release the cup opens up and it fits inside the vagina just below the cervix. Whatever menstrual fluid is coming out through the cervix, it gets collected inside this cup. It does not get clotted. After a while, you can empty the cup by going to the washroom and flush it down the drain. The only lubricant required for this is water, and you can clean it with water and reinsert it back. It's that easy to use. Many females who are using menstrual cup have given good feedback saying that sometimes even they forget that there is a menstrual cup fitted inside. There is no feeling of discomfort. There is no feeling that there is something left inside the vagina. They can wear it for long periods and it's really safe. So don't worry. You can use menstrual cup of various sizes depending upon the amount of your flow. And you can order them online. If any doubts, you can contact your gynecologist. Now another question that comes is, do you need to sterilize this? No, this does not need to be sterilized. Just wash it, dry it, keep it in a cloth, and next time when you are using it, remove it from the cloth and wear it, and you can use it. Can you use it with the copper T if you have a copper T inserted? Yes, the copper T is inserted inside the uterus and the menstrual cup lies in the vagina. So there's nothing to worry. And a menstrual cup can hold as much up to 80 ml of blood and it can be used for around 8 to 10 hours depending upon your flow. If the flow is heavy, you can change the cup every 3 to 4 hours. The advantages is there is no backflow, so less chances of endometriosis, there are less chances of infections, and the cleaning is very easy. It takes a few minutes and only water. So this is an easy way. You don't have to remove it even while passing urine. You can wear it and pass urine. There is nothing to worry. The urethra and the vaginal opening are different. So I think the comfort of menstrual cup is understood, and you have understood the advantages, the comfortability of this. It can be also worn by women while swimming. So how much does it cost? The cost is quite less, and one menstrual cup, even if you buy around, say the costliest one around 1000 rupees, you can use for years together. So one reusable cup you can use for 8 to 10 years. And how much money do you spend on the pads? Say 150 rupees for 7 pads in 1 month. Calculate that for 10 years and you know that a menstrual cup is much cheaper than the sanitary pads. I guess I have made the concept of menstrual cup clear, and I wish you all the best, and try the menstrual cup and contact for any queries to your gynecologist. Thank you from IMA WTW Wing. Thank you.